In this guided meditation for stress relief, you will experience the calming effects of deep, mindful breathing. The soothing power of your breath is twofold. For one, deep breathing physically calms down your nervous system. And two, mindful breathing helps you to clear your mind of stressful thoughts. This counting breath exercise will help you reach a state of relaxation and peace on a physical and mental level. Let's begin this practice in a comfortable seated position. You can sit cross-legged if you'd like, or simply sit in a chair with your feet planted on the floor. Reach the crown of your head toward the sky while softly tucking your chin. Then release your shoulders down away from your ears. You can rest your hands in your lap. With your eyes closed, begin to notice the flow of your breath. How does it feel in this moment? Is it deep or shallow? Is it fast or slow? Is it labored or easy? Are you breathing through your nose or through your mouth? Just watch your breath for a moment, observing how it feels. You'll notice that when your mind is focused upon your breath, you are no longer thinking about worries or stress. Your mind becomes clear, calm, and still. You can make that the goal of your meditation practice today. Keep your mind on your breath. Now let's take a few deep, sighing breaths to help release any tension in your body. Inhale through your nose and fill your chest with breath. Exhale out of your mouth with a big, heavy sigh. You can even make a sighing sound with your voice if you'd like. Now draw the breath in slowly through your nose. Feel your chest expand. Sip in a little bit more air. As you exhale with a big sigh, imagine releasing any tension or stress in the body. Good. One more time. Breathe in slowly through your nose. When your lungs are full, hold your breath at the peak of your inhalation. Pause here like you're floating on top of the breath. And exhale, release with a sigh. Let your shoulders melt toward the ground. Now you can breathe in and out through your nose if that's comfortable for you. In this counting breath practice, you'll stretch out your exhalation to be twice as long as your inhalation. This sends a signal to the body to relax, rest, and restore its energy. You'll count your breath so that you can mindfully lengthen your exhalation. Let's try a 4-4-8 counting breath pattern. You'll inhale for 4 counts, you'll hold your breath for 4 counts, and you'll exhale for 8 counts. I'll count out loud for the first few rounds. Ready? Let all the breath out of your lungs. Now inhale 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. How did that feel? Make sure that you're not clenching your muscles as you hold your breath. It's as if you're lightly floating on top of the breath, with all of your muscles soft and relaxed. This time, I'll try counting a little slower. Keep your jaw and shoulders relaxed, and keep your mind focused on the breath. Ready? Release all of your breath. And inhale 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How'd it go? Take a moment to just go within and observe how this counting breath is already changing the way you feel inside. For the next few moments, you'll practice this counting breath on your own. You can count at whatever pace feels best to you. As you inhale, imagine breathing in a calm, soothing feeling. As you hold your breath, let that good feeling spread throughout your body. And as you exhale, imagine releasing all stress and tension from your body. Keep your mind centered on the counts and on your breath. Begin when you're ready. Come back to your natural breathing pattern. Take a moment to observe how you feel now. You can practice this counting breath exercise whenever you need to clear your mind and calm your nervous system. Have